So, how do you take a relic from in Age of Mythology Retold? You need to select a hero, right click on the relic, and in order to use it you have to place it inside a temple. Temple have a maximum size of relics that they can hold. I think it is 5, I don't remember exactly. And that is it. That is how you activate the power. You just place it in and you have the power-ups. Now there are a few exceptions to this, and it is the heroes of Egypt, I think, is the only the pharaoh can take the relics, if I remember correctly, unless you do a power-up. There is a certain power-ups that allows everyone to just bring them in. If I remember correctly, it was like this in earlier versions of Age of Mythology. I don't, if I remember correctly, it's still the same in Age of Mythology Retold, but yeah, if you go with the pharaoh, you will be okay. So I hope you liked this video. Leave a comment below, subscribe, and see you next time.